Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how to download, install and run N3uron in the Docker using Virtuallabs.Online. Now this Virtuallabs.Online is the platform to get free Linux server or Docker ready server for 2 hours. Okay, so I have set up my Docker ready server using Virtuallabs.Online. Okay, here you can see I have created the Docker ready server, and if I type docker version, then you can see Docker version which is installed in my system. Now we can use this Docker command to pull the N3uron image in the Docker. Okay, and then it will run the N3uron Docker image. So let's see how you can do that. So I'm going to copy this command and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to run this command in the sudo mode. Okay, you can see unable to find the image locally, so it will pull the N3uron image from the Docker hub and then it will run the N3uron. Now Docker has successfully pulled the N3uron image. Now let us check that the container is running or not. So sudo docker ps-a, and here you can see this container, the N3uron container, is running from last 13 seconds. Now how to access the N3uron after running it from the Docker? So here you have the public IP address. Okay, so I can copy this public IP address and I can open the new private window. I can paste that IP address here, and here you can see the N3uron is running on the port 8003. So I can type port 8003 here to access my N3uron software. And here you can see N3uron loading engine, running engine, and here is the login page of the N3uron. Now the default username is admin and the default password is N3uron, and I am able to log into the N3uron node. Okay, so this is how you can use Docker to run the N3uron image in the Docker, and then after you can access it in your browser. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, that how to download, install and run N3uron image in the Docker using Virtuallabs.Online. You can use this command in the Raspberry Pi as well. If the Docker is installed in your Raspberry Pi, you can use the same command in the Ubuntu Linux as well if Docker is pre-installed. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any questions or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also, you can comment on this video. Also, you can send me a mail. So let's meet in the future videos regarding N3uron. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.